Hey YouTube modeling community, I apologize ahead of time. This video might ramble a little bit, but I'm fortunate enough to have the last 2 weeks off of the year off, and so I intend to spend it down here, but and I'm getting choked up just talking about it. I can't come down here and enjoy this without thinking about the model works.
Yep, we got flooded. The ribbons, I can't even tell you how high the river is. The model works has been destroyed. Closed till further notice. That's all I can tell you. What a mess we have. Jesus Christ almighty. Keep us in your thoughts and prayers, guys. We're going to need it.
And it's literally right there next to where I sit. And it's been on my mind, since it happened. And so, in order to give me some peace of mind, even though it's Charlie who's devastated, I have to justify my time down here somehow. So I am going to do a Model Works dedication build. And a couple of years ago at the contest I went to, I think it was the Butch O'Hare, I saw this and I immediately thought of Charlie because he likes to build these big old time cars and he's got a whole series of them. So I've never built one before, so that will be the perfect kit to me for a Model Works dedication build. And if others want to join me, I'm sure Charlie would appreciate it in some small way. But yeah, this is going to be my next build. And as a matter of fact, I guess I'm officially announcing a group build. Let's call it the Model Works tribute build. And I don't know, let's say it goes till March, because Charlie was talking about doing a World War II group build, and I think I mentioned I have all this World War II stuff waiting. And I think he mentioned something about starting in March. So let's have a group build, tribute to the Model Works, and have it end, March 31st. And, the parameters are, since Charlie builds everything, you gotta build something because that's what he does. So, yeah, let's officially call it the Model Works tribute build, and just make whatever it is you want to make, and put a video out for it. And tribute to Charlie and Susan and the Model Works. So I'm going to go ahead and kick this off and do an unboxing here. And holy cow, this thing is huge. 1:16 perfect scale, over 150 parts, 9.5 inches long. The Silver Ghost, so named because its color and comparative silence virtually made the Rolls-Royce company famous for quality and set the standard of excellence and durability for which Rolls is noted today. It was reputed to have the effortless power of a steam engine and the purr of an electric motor. During trials, it succeeded in completing one 14,000-mile non-stop trip. We doubt if many cars could achieve that even today with our superhighways. Let's go to the instructions first. Wow. Photo of Silver Ghost towing the right biplane in which C.S. Rolls was killed. Holy cow. Wow. All right. So I'm going to get started on this. The 1906 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost as my entry into the Model Works tribute build. So stay tuned for that. Hope everybody will participate. And I went ahead and made a JPEG of this cover art, so if you'd like one, you could either take a screen grab right now or shoot me an email at the address in the description and I'll send you one. And as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.